Engineered to thrill you and those around you, the alter ego sees the iPhone radically transformed with a distinct, jaw-dropping aesthetic persona. Well, I'm sold. $3,000 for an iPhone case, and it's not even a big deal. This will stop the entire world around you, apparently. Hey, what's up guys? Everything Apple Pro here. Today, I want to take a look at Gray International's latest case, the Alter Ego, for the latest iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. They've been teasing this case for quite some time, and finally it's out, and I could not be more excited. You know, a well-made case usually takes a long time to develop. But anyways, these guys have a long-running history. I have many of their products, and as you know, Gray International works with titanium, the God's material. It's honestly my favorite element. And who knew that making cases out of them could be so expensive, but also so beautiful. So going back from the 7 all the way to the Galaxy series, I'm very excited to take a look at the latest version for the 11 Pro. So what I have here is the 11 Pro Max version, I believe, the Alter Ego. Let me get my plebeian fingers ready. Ooh, there it is. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is gorgeous. Just the aura basking in its glow. Wow. So that anodization, that looks really cool. It's called the Aurora series. Let's take a look at what it says here. So for the 11 Pro Max, you're looking at about $3,000. It's machined from aerospace grade titanium. And my favorite line here is radically transforming the iPhone. The Alter Ego turns your phone into an object of mystery and power, stopping the world at its tracks every time it leaves your pocket. So get ready to be imbued with some Quicksilver powers where the world stops. Ooh. Okay, so very similar to the Alter Ego for the XS Max in terms of just awe. I like what they did here. So it now has 2 separate screws here. I'm absolutely stunned how this company can continue to innovate with such insane designs. So as much as I like to poke fun at the prices, you can really tell when you pick this up that it's a well-made product, and this is one of 50 that's going to be made. In fact, every color except for the regular stainless is a special edition. So the Stealth 100 will be made, Gold 100, and the Aurora 100. Titanium, the standard one, and they'll be making as many as they want, as many as they'll sell. I actually genuinely wonder what kind of numbers these guys make. Let's go ahead and get this onto my Gold 11 Pro Max. I actually did downgrade to a smaller 5.8 inch just because of how big the phone is, and the capabilities between the Pro and the Pro Max are so similar. So why not? But okay. One thing that I will give this company is they did improve the rubber, the gasket in between the titanium and your phone. On the first generations, it was really not very well fitting, and they've really got that down. So it's become much more of an easy process to install this case. And wow, I feel the luxury. You can buy 3 iPhones, well, maybe like 2.5 for the price of this one case. And just the way that it slides in, look at how sharp that is. That is a weapon. That is a very sharp point, but just goes to show you how much insane engineering went into this. That's such a thin point for titanium. So impressed. And in case you guys didn't see, we are actually going to be collaborating with this company on a very exciting product I will be sharing with you in the coming months for the Phone Rebel series special edition. Let's get the screws in there. So you do have to do a little bit of a tight squeeze to align them. Tension in a case is good for durability. So there it is. Look at that. That looks exotic. Just knowing that no one else on the planet, only 49 other people, 48, because this is number 7 of 50, will be using this case. That is simply stunning. Wow. I like the colors. It does have a little bit of a color shift effect when you move it in the light. I honestly think this is so cool. The world's coolest object, the iPhone, in the world's coolest case for the iPhone. Not most affordable for sure. Let's see if it can stand on its side. Oh, it can. It does pass that test. On both sides. Cool. So in a way, it's very similar to ours. You know, the sides are exposed, yet if you do drop it, you do have protection there. So, you know, $3,000, $40. And on the front, you do have these borders going around. So on the front, it definitely is more reminiscent of the previous generation. They did bring these sides down, which makes it a little bit more comfortable to use. And much like ours, we have an asymmetric design right here around the camera. It's kind of how it has to be. But I much prefer this design to the old one, actually. As cool as this was, this just takes it to the next level. So there it is, guys, the Gray International. I would have dropped it, but it would be a shame. This is such an expensive case. I fear for it. Trust me, in the past, we have dropped titanium and it is pretty resilient. Oh, and guys, we are doing a giveaway of the Grey International Alter Ego. So a link for that will be found down below in the description. And the AirPods Pro. I am giving away 5 of those in a separate giveaway. Link for that will be down below as well. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you, Grey International, for sending me this artwork. It's true what you guys said here. It's a sculpture, not a case. You guys have spent so much time behind whatever 3D program you've been using to sculpt every corner, every angle, and making this happen, you know, with CNC machines, it's no easy feat. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to look at this and add it to the collection. I will be using it. I mean, that's such a flex. I like how comfortable it is despite, you know, the blocky appearance in a way. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you guys do want to enter that giveaway for the Grey International Alter Ego, link will be down below in the description, and we are doing the giveaway with 5 pairs of AirPods Pro. So link for that will be down below as well. Now, time for me to go flex on them. I'm gonna like using this thing. All right, guys, peace.